How to set up the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. First, make sure the intake filter is placed in the bottom of the machine over the sump. Next, locate the bottom spray jets. Attach the bottom spray jets by lining up the rib with the notch on the base. Place the bottom rack over the bottom jets with the vent tube holders facing upwards and the triangular slot facing forward. Place the detergent tray into the rack's triangular slot. Attach the center tube that matches your bottle size, the short tube for short bottles or the tall tube for tall bottles. Pick up the top spray jets, which have an X shape. Attach the top spray jets to the center tube. Place the top rack on top of the top spray jets. Make sure the straight edge of the top rack faces the back of the machine. The clean water tank can be lifted up by its handle. The dirty water tank can be pulled out with the built-in handle. The bottle washer can be easily turned with its built-in wheels. Lift the lid using its built-in handle and slide it down onto the base so it fits securely. The bottle washer comes with a pre-installed HEPA filter. The Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro.